Hi everyone, it's me Eileen, your K-pop stan, coming to you from St. Thomas USVI, and we're back with episode 3. I'm really excited. Last episode we had EJ's team perform Blue Hour, which was really good, and they had really good comments, so I was really happy for them. But now we got Kay, Taki, and Nicholas, and I'm excited, especially for Kay, if you don't know already. So let's not waste any time. Once again, this video might be put into 2 parts, so we're just going to get into this right away. No time to waste.
K、ニコラス、滝野さんチームの本番のステージが残った。果たしてどんなステージを見せてくれるのか、とっても楽しみだ。
では次、ニコラスチームは舞台に上がってください。
So Nicholas is up next.
With 自信を持って皆さんにいいパフォーマンスを見せたいと思います。今日の自信感は 1000% です。
見ている人を驚かせるかっこいい舞台を見せます。
I hope that's true. I'm still trying to figure out between Nicholas and EJ. I'm going to get it sooner or later, but I'm still trying to get there. And as for the 2 newcomers that I recognize the most, they are right here with Nicholas, Gaku and Harate, I think it is. Yeah, Hayate. Those are my 2 favorites when it comes to the newcomers so far. I love this song. I like my sex a lot. Right, it is already.
ニコラスの方はまあ3人が揃ってなくて、結局まあどうやったら揃うかというのを分かっていなかったのかなっていう感じとできてなさっていう感じです。最初の3人がバラバラ来ました。その勢いはいいです。こう、はい、来ましたよっしゃ始まる。3人がいませんってなったから、それじゃダメだよ。でしかもすっごい分かりやすいから、今もう上が合わないんだから。だし、その1個前も違うよ。これのちょっと前。
When you go to show when somebody, when you have a professional or whatever, because even the boys on the side was like, "What's wrong? Why did she stop them?"
もう一回どっから行くのこれ？横から行くの？だからこの肘はどっから行くの？こう今ガッカこう行くや。こう？肘張るの張らないの？こうじゃん。
だってここかこう今こうなってる。
そう。要はさ、こっからこういうストロークの人とこっからこういうストロークの人だけでもう距離が違うからタイミングが近く見える。
はい、せ
最低でもそれぐらい音で合わせないと。
最初から止められて一番大きくある感情は、悔しいっていうふうに思います。その止まっちゃった理由が3人があんまり揃ってなかったっていうふうに言われて、いやせっかく練習したのになっていうすごい焦りがあります。
その時はなんかフィードバック聞いた時はちょっと心配しました。
他じゃダメなんだ、俺じゃなくちゃ
All day, all night, give me the perfect time. 또問題点 yeah. 멈춰니 춤 스럽게 너 약속서 足から立ってすぐいたして思ってあげるよ
Oh boy. No bueno. Uy.
もちろんまあ中間評価だからまだ練習の途中だしねしょうがないんだけどまずは全員ちょっとピッチが良くないであとニコラスは音楽をストップしてたね失敗してももうスタートしてるんだから止まったらもうめっちゃテンション下がるよ
ありがとうございました。
It makes you wonder how much training they had before coming on this show. Were they trainees already?
僕だけで
That's
は
a
あり
good
ません
question.
誰かというと今ステージをチェックしてる間に他の場所でボーカルのトレーニングをしてくれた先生たちが評価を見ていました。
直すのがね。
전체적으로 제스를 했을 때보다 밸런스가 점점 무너지는 느낌이 들어가지고
ニコラスチームリズム的な部分においては随分成長したが音程のところは非常に残念
正直あんまり今日の結果が良くなかったのでちょっとなんか自信がなくなったと思いました。これから練習です。
練習します。
なんでここ連れてきてくれたの？
Some team bonding for them as well, I guess. I guess every team is going to be doing this.
海めっちゃいい。
飲み込まれそう。飲み込まれそう。
うわ美味しそう。遊ぶな。これ焼くってことでしょ。
うなぎなんか好きみたいに言ってな、なんかおじいちゃんとおばあちゃんがお店やってて、お店やってるんですよ。頑張りたい時とかなんか気合を入れる時とかにおじいちゃんとおばあちゃんがそういうの用意してくれて思い出深いからめっちゃ嬉しい。
でも絶対美味しい。懐かしい。
うなぎがじいちゃん。
I haven't taken the time to check and see the ages of all these boys. I know some of them said the ages during their introduction, and even the ones that said the age I don't remember. So I wonder what the ages are. I have to look it up. I already got a little Nicholas face. I don't know why I can't figure out who's Nicholas and EJ, even though they're separated during last episode and this episode. I'm still trying to figure it out. I should know it already by now.
辛くないでしょ。
お、飲む。熱い。言葉なくなるな。うまい。
どうだった主観権限。
中間値いやもう散々やったよあれは。途中でね、俺らだけで出だし始まった瞬間ストップってはめられちゃって、結構さ揃えるのを意識して練習したよ。だからこそこう揃ってないっていうの。
I think Karate has such a handsome face.
ちょっと来てさメンタル。
I don't know what it is exactly.
まあでもあれから少しだけ経って、その間の練習でも
I love his
ニコラスを
eyes.
引っ張ってくる、リーダーとして結構まあエネルギー感を忘れずに、
ニコラス君ありがとう本当に今日は。
個性はもともと3人とも出せるから、ほんま頑張るしかないな。ここした？違う MR？ 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 ASMR？
作って焼ける。
おー
どっちがいい？こっち。おいしい。待って、もっとソース、ソースいっぱい。オッケー。で、これも。あとこれ。写真撮っとこうかな。動画撮っとこう、俺。
I would like it if one day I could eat Korean food. In St. Thomas, there's nowhere that sells Korean food.
オッケー。いける。
はい。
There's a couple of Chinese restaurants, if you even want to call it that. But definitely no Korean.
最後まで行く。力を上げたな。どんどん減っていくとか2個減ったり。力上げすぎ。次はそれだけ。一口一つだけ。
As much as I enjoy seeing them getting to know each other, I'm so excited for the performance. So in the back of my head, I'm just thinking, performance.
恥ずかしい。ニコラスのもっと恥ずかしい。二人でニコラスにあげよう。オッケー。ちょっと待って。
Up to now, I still don't know. We still don't know how many members gonna be in this group. But if Hayate makes it into the group, he will. I think he's gonna be my bias wrecker. K will be my bias, and he will be my bias wrecker if he makes it into the group. I really love Hayate's face.
いや本当に。
I'm saying that now until I get to know all the boys more. Who knows what would change? But
最高の舞台でみんなのヒーローになるぞ。
Hayate is up there. All right, performance time. Let's go.
ずっと踊り続けている曲なのでエナジーを一番出してかっこいいって一番思われるようなところっていう。
They all look good in these
まあ
outfits.
もちろん緊張してでも自信に見せられるのはめっちゃ重要だと思う。
Come on, boys.
中間チェックの時はあまりいい評価をもらえなかったので
They didn't show how much marbles they had after their interim check. Are they going to show it?
歌だけのはさ、これやっぱ難しくはない。
一番簡単。
でも揃わないとすっごい確かに変なんだよね。
Okay, let's go.
All day, all night, give me the perfect time. The dose of one night, yeah. 伸びた道だとく忘らだけのやつなさそう。君は俺のもので世界中が敵になってて、どうもそれからだすぐに出して守ってあげるよ。夢を見出すその手で届けるみたいだ。負けちゃダメなんだ俺じゃなくちゃ I can be a hero. I can be a hero.
P-Dog enjoying it.
I can be a hero. 君は俺のもので世界中のどこにだっている。誰としたって見つけ出して奪い去って離さないんだよ。そう俺のビーナスその手で届けもみたいだ。僕じゃダメなんだ俺じゃなくちゃ I can be a hero. can be a hero. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man. I can be a hero. I can be your man.
I think they did pretty good. I think they had good energy. I think they're gonna compliment Hayate's and his voice. I felt like his voice was really, really stable. Everybody's voice was good. I felt like I heard some faults in Nicholas and Gaku's vocals. Nothing big and and obvious, but I heard some little imperfections. But I felt like Hayate was like really, really stable. But the energy was good. P-Dog definitely was enjoying it. He was grooving with it.
네, 잘 봤습니다.
Yes, he did.
한 명 한 명 뭐 누가 더 잘했고 못했냐 뭐 얘기할 거리가 없을 정도로 라이브면 라이브 뭐 춤이면 춤 셋 다 너무 소화를 잘해줘가지고 결과물이
At least you know wherever he pointed for marbles will be good.
한 가지 아쉬운 점은 사실 이 곡 키포인트가 그 안무에서
You wanted abs?
보여주는 키포인트라서 그거는 기대하고 있었는데 유일한 아쉬운 점. 네. 유일한 아쉬운 점. まずはニコラスの中間評価の時ミスしたところが治ってたのがよかったね。その成果がちゃんと出てたと思う。やっぱりずーっとそこのピッチ違ったからね。そこが治ったのはチームでやってたおかげだと思うし、あとなんかやっぱ中間評価よりニコラスがなんかリーダーっぽく見えた。なんかそこが結構チームとしてやっと最後の最後でまとまったなっていう感じ。
ありがとうございます。
中間評価の時は結構こう、明らかにこうダンスのレベルの差が分かっちゃう感じもあるし、だからこそこう揃えて分からないようにするのが目標にっていう感じのことを言ったと思うんだけど、ちょっと弱いのが逆に出ちゃった部分があったのが欲しいなっていうのはあったけど、ニコラスチームからは、私は颯ワンショット可能。
What does she want to talk about now?
ありがとうございます。自分の歌のパートに行くことにすごい頭いっぱいになっちゃって、自分のせっかくのパートをまた最後までやりきらないですって捨てちゃうんだよね。はい。でも今まで見た中では一番3人が揃ってる感じには見えてすごい良かったと思う。
ありがとうございます。
2サビの時のニコラスが真ん中に来たスタートのサビ、わっっていう感じを正直そんなに感じたことはなかったのね。の時に初めてうわっていう感じを感じたかな。ワンショット可能。また映像をお願いします。今日初めてダンスブレイクの前のサビそうでも1回だけでもこの舞台の上で出せたのはすごい良かったと思う。よく言えばね、全部あったら最高なんだけど、あの時はもうめっちゃ良かった。
ありがとうございます。
Okay, comments weren't too bad. It was pretty good. I said 90% good.
客席でお待ちください。
お疲れ様でした。ありがとうございました。
I think they did pretty good. I mean, I love that performance. I love the energy that they brought on the stage. It was really good. I enjoyed them. And see, and they kind of like they did say, like basically what they said about Hayate is that he was so focused on his vocals, which I said his vocals was almost perfect, that he kind of like lacked a little bit in his dancing, which I didn't see, but whatever. I think they did really good, and I think they're gonna get good scoring. I mean, as in marbles. I think they'll do fine.
今日はどうでしたか？
なんかすごい今日舞台やってなんか楽しかったっていう気持ちもあったし、チーム的には増えたんだろうなっていうふうに思うんですけど、僕もちょっと個人的ななんかフィードバックがなかったので、なんか次のラウンドではなんかもっといい部分を増やしてスクリーンに映像を映してもらえるように頑張りたいと思います。ありがとうございました。
Oh, he just want to know how he doing. You know.
フィードバックが全分
But I also mean that you didn't do bad.
너무 잘해서 우리가 특별히 개인 캠을 안 본 거니까 너무 아쉬워 안 해도 괜찮을 것 같아요.
Oh, Gaku.
泣かなくていいんだよ。ほんと。
ダメだったのかなっていうふうに思って。
No, if you were bad, they would definitely be saying it right there. They won't stay quiet about it.
やっぱり
You have to have some number. But I understand you want to know. Like, let me know how I'm doing. Am I bad? Am I good? What do I need to improve on? I'm pretty sure I wasn't perfect. You know, but it's okay. Team K is up next! Oi, I'm excited and I hope they do good.
중간평가 때 걔가 산 주는 친구가 준원.
하나님 받았어요? 지금 아웃됐잖아요.
준원 너무 잘했어요. 너무 아깝다.
네, 인사드리겠습니다. 둘, 셋. 안녕하세요.
You know, this shorty thing. What's his name? I don't remember who he is. Oh, Min Young. The one who missing during episode 1.
曲お願いします。ミニオンが最初に椅子を失敗したわけね、置くのをこう失敗して置いちゃったんだけど、ジュノンはめちゃくちゃ上手に直しに行ったね。すごいおしゃれな感じ。今日はすごいよくできてた子は一人選ぶの難しいけど、純音かなよかったなと思います。最初の座って、お芝居やってる時、自然な感じで踊り出してから、ミニョンはちょっとわざとらしすぎる。あとジョーは最初のこっちに一人でやるところとかは多分練習したから気をつけれてるんだけど、踊り出しちゃうとなくなっちゃうね。4人で踊っちゃう。
연기력이나 동작 디테일적인 부분 열심히는 하고 있지만 아직까지 잘 그게 나타나진 않는 것 같아요.
まだ全然完全にできてはないんですけど、そういう部分が心配だったというか、すごい難しいと思いました。
I'm still confident that they will do perfect during the actual performance. But first, let's see some bonding between Kay, Joe, and Min Hyung. I think I remember those faces, Min Hyung.
바로 가시죠. 내가 떡볶이 진짜 좋아하거든.
I really want to try Korean food.
3인분? 떡볶이 3인분에 튀김 2개. 와. 와, 되게 빠르다. 보자고. 잘 먹겠습니다. 고릴라.
Why is it always so enjoyable to watch people enjoy food? Which is why I'm now hungry and I need to find something to eat.
진짜 매워요.
I am hungry now. It's hot.
세골.
귀여워. 내가 제일 좋아하는 탕후루.
Stir fried ice cream. Guys, could ever see my eating ice cream with a chopstick.
왜 이렇게 맛있지? 그만긴 해. 이슈이지 이슈인데. 나도. 뭐야? 저거. 저거. 안녕히 계세요. 진짜 맛있어.
So Johan already missing. They're gonna say why?
ジュノンが
Say.
体調崩してからは2日前の夜に変わったので、そこからすごく急いで準備をしなきゃいけなかったので、
라이브 연습하고 춤 디테일 연습하고 다 거의 맞췄는데 그때 준현 형이 딱 그래서 동선이 완전히 바뀌어가지고
Not eat anymore. Come on, you'll do fine. Let's go.
一人というよりはジュノ君がいてやっぱりでかかった。
ジュノンのパートは最初の低いところだけ
ミニョンがやってくれる。であとは全て僕がやることになります。ダンスパートも後半のダンスパートも新しく2日前に覚えてやることになりました。
K팀 드라이 리허설 가겠습니다.
센터
I was drinking, but there's
같은
nothing in
경우는
there.
동방신기 곡이잖아요. 진짜 레전드의 무대인데 어떤 식으로 무대를 꾸미게 될지 걱정 반 기대 반이 되는데
今回の曲が全くやったことのないものでうまくできればもう伝説の舞台が作れると思っているのでそのような姿を見せれるように頑張りたいと思います。
じゃあ3番目 K チームの舞台を始めます。
K チームはマイクとイヤモニを着用してください。
そういう舞台で新しい自分の顔、いい顔とかを見せられたらいいなっていう気持ちで今います。
ぜひかっこいい舞台をみんなに見せてやってくれっていうふうに今日も連絡もらったので、本当に今日はジノのためにも3人で頑張ります。
Come on, let's go, boys.
所以让可以往你的挂机有新人上。
I already kind of feel like they're gonna say bad stuff because, like, first thing first, I'm gonna say like K was I think that K was perfect, and not because he's my bias, but like vocally and his dancing and expression, everything was like perfect. Joe and Minhyung, they seem like blank. I don't know. It's like they didn't have energy. And so the one thing they might say about K is that he wasn't a good leader because his two fellow members.
네, 일단 좋은 무대 보여주셔서 일단 너무 좋았고
Vocally, I think everybody was fine vocally.
많았겠다 생각이 많이 들었습니다.
このチームは急に変えてパートも変わっちゃったし、ちょっとこう動きとか動線とかも変わったし、いろいろ変わったけど、でも表情がすごくテーマなんか K はもちろん練習の時からすごいバラエティを見せてくれてて、でジョーは今日見たことがないバラエティが何個か見えた。でミニョンは顔のやっぱ表情がちょっとワンパターンだったのがどうしても拭いきれないかなっていうのが残念だったかな。
그리고 이제 각자의 매력으로 봤을 때는 어느 정도 역할을 해준 건 분명한 것 같은데 이제 군무로 봤을 때 조금 잘 안 맞는 부분들이 군데군데 좀 보여가지고 좀 하나의 팀으로서는 조금 아쉽다 이런 생각을 갖게 합니다. 사실 一番最初に僕が感じちゃうのは K だけめっちゃ頑張ってる K だけめっちゃ頑張ってる今までの努力を僕は見てるからそこを否定するつもりはないけども、あえてフラットに見た感想が強い感じでした。
チームはジョー君の映像をお願いします。バスワンは多分ジョーも気づいてると思うんだけど、はけた後にね、丸見えだぞ、丸見えでボーってしてるのが一歩なぜ下がらなかったの。一歩下がってくれたら多分ダンサーさんと同じぐらい見えなかったんだけど、ちょっとなんかこう顔だけワンショットカメで見えてて、それはダメですね。はい。
저는 K군 원샷캠 한번 봤으면 좋겠거든요. 네. 일단 뭐 K군은 컨셉을 정확히 이해를 하고 무대를 꾸미고 있더라고요. 이제 한 가지 아쉬운 점은 결국은 이제 나머지 두 친구들도 같이 몰입.
Yes, and they said that they would say that he was perfect, but they think he felt I was getting the other boys up to his level. Alright guys, I was so into this. I just realized I'm way past the halfway point, so I'm stopping here now. I am disappointed in this performance. I mean, y'all know by now that K is my bias, and I'm sad that this performance didn't go the way I wanted it to. But I mean, I could take away the fact that K did really well, but that's not good enough because they are being scored on team chemistry, and obviously he's not going to score so well right now with the way that performance went. So I am disappointed by that. Nicholas' team I thought was really, really good. Energy-wise, even vocally, they did okay. So we just have EJ's team next, and I know they're doing a team and song that I've never heard before, so I'll see how I'll feel about this performance. Whenever you're watching somebody perform, if you know the song already, it's that much more enjoyable. This is a song that I don't know, but I'm hoping that I still enjoyed the performance just the same. But that's it for this video. We're gonna end it here. If you like this video, take the time, like, comment, subscribe. I will really appreciate it. But I'm not gonna stick around any longer. It's time for me to go, and I'm gonna be starting the second half of this video right away. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please take the time, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, bye.